egg dinosaur video.
So it is called Mega Grow Egg. So we're gonna hatch this egg and we are going to see what's inside.
Comes the next toy board. Now I'm gonna unbox it.
Alright, let's see it.
Okay, hold on. Show the egg.
Let me see the egg. Wow, that's a cool looking egg. Let me see it
Let's put
again.
it in the bowl.
Alright.
So, are you gonna take the sticker off?
Yeah.
Or should we just keep it on? I think we should just keep it on.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. So
Before
what?
we even started.
What do you think is gonna be in here? What color dinosaur?
Red.
Red dinosaur. I'm gonna say blue. So we're gonna go ahead, put
Pour
the water.
It feels so cold in here.
It does?
Yeah.
That's a
Okay,
cool
so we will update you. This is day 1 of the egg. So it's a solid egg, it's hard. We have no idea what we're gonna find when it hatches, so it's kind of exciting. So this is day 1, guys. Stay tuned for day 2. So this is day 2 of the egg. You can see it broke. It's not actually hatched yet. So we will see what happens day 3, and hopefully it hatches in day 3. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, I am going to take over for Mommy today and I'm going to give you the update. As you can see, we have a almost hatched egg. It looks like a green and yellow dinosaur. We don't know, we can't see the head yet. We got Mr. Nick's toy world over here. What do you think, Nick? Did you know it was going to be this color?
Yeah, I know it.
You knew it?
Yeah, it was yellow and green.
Yellow and green. I believe it looks like a dinosaur. I don't want to pull it out. I want it to come out naturally. But tomorrow it's probably going to come out completely. We will keep you updated. But for now,
Or the night.
stay tuned.
Hi guys, this is day 4 of hatching the dinosaur, and it finally hatched. What color is the dinosaur?
Green.
It is green and
There
yellow.
we go, guys.
No.
There it is. The green and yellow dinosaur. Go ahead, Nick. Take it out. Wow.
That's so cool.
Let me see. Show the camera. Show the YouTube audience.
It's stretchy.
That's so cool.
So it's nice and soft, spongy. Not sure what type of dinosaur. What type of dinosaur is this, guys? Write it in the comments below.
You know what it is?
What is it?
It's a flying dinosaur.
It's a flying dinosaur. Because you're going to throw it.
No, I feel like it.
Oh my gosh. Look at this squishy dinosaur.
It
Nice
looks
and
like
soft.
Ryan's World
A
toy.
Ryan's World toy. There's a little plug for you, Ryan, if you're watching this.
Boy. Thank you for watching. Bye.
We hope you enjoyed this little egg hatch video.
Bye.
Please subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.